Bonjour tout le monde, and welcome to the tutorial. Today, we're diving into how you can harness Vapi AI to build powerful AI assistants and applications, specifically tailored for the French-speaking world. That's right. You can easily create applications and assistants that speak perfect French and connect with a brand new audience. First, head over to the Vapi AI platform. You should see a clear interface designed for easy navigation. If you don't already have an account, quickly sign up or get logged in. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the area for creating new projects or apps. This is where the magic begins. Now, you'll want to start a new project. Follow the platform's instructions to name your project and pick a suitable template. Then, in the setup phase, make sure the language is set to French. Choosing French will ensure your AI understands and responds in the language. Next, we'll configure the personality or behavior of your AI assistant. The platform offers ways to customize the voice, tone, and the very nature of responses. You can choose to create a friendly, professional, or any persona that aligns with your brand and target audience. You could even upload specific documents or datasets relevant to the French market. Once you've curated your AI, it's time to test it. The testing area will allow you to converse with your AI assistant in real time. This allows you to see if the responses, voice, and tone meet your expectations. It's the perfect opportunity to spot any minor adjustments you might need. Satisfied? Excellent. Now, the final step: deploy your AI assistant or application. Vapi AI will guide you through the deployment process. You can generate a link or embed the AI assistant easily on your website or integrate it into other platforms. Share your innovation with the French-speaking community. And that's it. You've created a French language AI assistant with Vapi AI. Congratulations. You've now expanded your global reach, improved communication, and amplified accessibility for your clients and partners. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Bon chance at GBNTT.